Okay, with this video, what I'm going to do is bypass a switch on a desktop. When you hit the power button to start the desktop PC, it's a momentary on switch. So momentarily that's on, and then it's off. On, off. So it's a momentary on-off switch, which this is what I'm going to use, and it's more or less a retrofit. So inside the case on the PC board, there's a little block, little plastic block with these pins sticking up. And two of these pins allow for a momentary contact to power on the machine. These are the Arduino or breadboard wires. Some come with the pins like this, and some come without. This is the females, these are the males. And then if this were to be the pin on the PC block that I was going to bypass, on this one it's 1, 2, 3 pins in, so it would go like that, connect, get it on the right way, then I have a connection there, and then I would connect to the other one on the other side. And with these wires like this, then I'll hook up to a momentary switch to bypass the defective switch that's on the PC. So these little guys, first off, means that what I'm going to have to wind up doing is basically JB welding it to the case, because this button is not a perfect replacement for the button, as I need to straighten these out. Two of these I can cut off, I won't need, but they do connect diagonally. So that's that one off. And that one off. And that'll lay down relatively flat. I'll go ahead and connect these. That's good. And then if you give them a little push, it'll help secure them more tightly. And then again, maybe not. Keep it clean. And I'll pick a color that I really do want to hang on to. Looks good.
Well, Mary, you look great. I know you're going to have a wonderful Christmas with your baby. And I will. You too. Have a wonderful week and enjoy all your kids and everybody. And you will. You too. Exactly right. I think you're so true. And I think that is a huge, that's huge as well. Just in case I never believe. But I don't want to
Yeah. Then in the computer, they go pinning down like that. And all right, so that's that.